Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. You are watching lecture video presents by Sanai School System. Before starting our study, let's talk about the moral lesson. And the moral lesson is don't use bad words. Students, we should not use bad words. We should avoid bad words. Say no to bad words. It's our English lesson going on, so take out your Primer A, New Oxford Model English Primer A. We will start reading page number 60. So take out your page number 60. It is a page number 60 of Primer A. Look at the heading in red box, A and D and. A and D and. What is the meaning of A and D and? And means or. When we are connecting two sentences, then between the two sentences we will use word A and D and. Now look at the line number 1 and look at the picture also. The woman is pointing something. Woman is holding a pot and she is pointing towards the tap also. She is using two sentences. She is telling us two things. How she is saying? Look at this line and read. PHIS this, IS is a POT pot. This is a pot. A and D and. This is a pot and. THAT that, IS is a TAP tap. This is a pot and that is a tap. She is telling us two things. This is a pot and that is a tap. Pot is near to her, so she is using the word this is a pot, and tap is not near to her. Tap is far away, so she is using the word that is a tap. She is using and word to connecting two sentences. This is a pot and that is a tap. Now look at this picture. It is a zoo. But what the lines are? Read the lines. THIS this, IS is a YAK york. This is a york. AND and THAT that, IS is a ZOO zoo. Full stop. They are saying that this is a york and that is a zoo. Now look at this man. What is the man saying? He is telling us two things. Let's start reading the lines. THIS this, IS is a NAIL nail. This is a nail. Where is nail? Yes, look at on his hand. He is holding a nail. Nail is near to him, so he using the word this is. This is a nail. And THAT that, IS is a DOOR door, full stop. He is telling us two things. This is a nail and that is a door. Okay students, now we are going to start our classwork. Open page number 61. It is a page number 61 of Primer A. Look at the heading in red box. READ, read. READ, read. Read means we have to read these lines and understand what we have to do. Yes. Look at the pictures and line. Here you can see a girl and a boy. So read the line what is written here. A GIRL girl, a girl, AND and a BOY boy, a girl and a boy. Now move. A dog, a DOG dog, and a cat, CAT cat. They are telling us about two things, a dog and a cat. Now look at the given blue box. In this box you can see many words written. Read the words. RA radio, radio, BABY baby, CLOCK clock, DUCK duck, GLASS glass, DOOR door, DUG jug, HEN hen, DOLL doll, KEY key. Yes kids, radio, baby, clock, duck, glass, door, jug, hen, doll, key. Kids, first of all, before start writing work, write at top of this page CW and date at left corner upside. Now move on and read the heading in blue color again. WRITE, right? Now students, we have to write our work. Look at the picture at left side. Here you can see before every line, here are pictures of two objects. So we have to connect two objects' name with the help of AND and. As they have given us examples above the page, a girl and a boy, a dog and a cat. Same as it is, we will describe the names of these things. Now look at the first line. A radio and a dash. First of all, you will trace the letters CLO. What is the spelling of clock? CLOCK, clock. Look at the blue box. Here you can also find out spelling of clock and tick it. CLOCK, clock. We have to write the letter C and K to complete the spelling of clock. Like this, you will complete the line, a radio and a clock. Now move on. Look at the next line. A BABY, baby, dash. But first of all, you will trace the word baby with the help of dots. A baby and a doll. Yes, here you can see at left side two pictures. One is baby, other is doll. So how can we describe about them? A baby and a doll. Take one finger gap after tracing the baby word and write and. Take again one finger gap and write spelling of DOLL, doll. Like this. A baby and a doll. Same as it is, we are going to complete lines one by one. Now move on and look at the next line. This line is completely blank. We have to complete it. How can we complete it? Look at the picture. First picture, a door, a door. So, write here baby of A first of all. Then take one finger gap and write the spelling of door, DOOR, door. Now, we have to write and, a door and. What is the next picture about? A key. A door and a key. So after writing and, take one finger gap and write again a baby of A, one finger gap, then write the spelling of KEY, key, a door and a key. Like this, you will complete the third line. This line is also completely blank, so we have to describe about these two objects. Look at the picture. A hen, and a duck. It's very easy. According to the given pattern, we have to write here. Write here A, one finger gap, spelling of hen, HEN, hen. One finger gap again and write the spelling of and. Again take one finger gap and write A, baby of A. Take one finger gap again and write the spelling of duck, DUCK, duck. A hen and a duck. Like this, you will complete the line. Now we have done 4 lines. Move on. Next line is also completely blank. But it's very easy to write. Look at the pictures at the left side. A glass and a jug. Yes. It's very easy. Start writing. Write baby of A. One finger gap. Spelling of glass. GLASS, glass. and. Take one finger gap. One finger gap. Spelling of jug, J-U-G, jug, a glass and a jug. Like this, you will complete the line. A radio and a clock, a baby and a doll, a door and a key, a hen and a duck, a glass and a jug. Students, we have done. Same as it is, you will complete this page and read again and again to enhance your reading skill. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.